Multi-property or multi-entity environments are considerations that happen to most sort of hospitality clients that we have. And whether that's a centralized function or it is a complete franchise model. Now, in all of those businesses, the group wants to know exactly how each location is actually performing. And more importantly, how do those entities or multiple properties are actually interacting with each other? So what you really want to do from a design perspective as a CFO of a group like that is ease the amount of administration and maintenance between those properties and between the different franchises. And simple things like intercompany transactions. How easy is it for you to do that on your current ERP? Does the system that you're looking at allow for that? And if it's not going to be through journals and intercompany, does it support inter-entity billback, which actually creates that invoice as a supplier on the other entity, which speeds up dramatically the amount of interactions and manual processes that needs to happen between the entities. The other major consideration you need to know is how easy is it to get the information at a granular level right down to the franchise and the departments within that franchise or property, and also bring it right back up to the top. So Sage Intacct works very strongly around dimensional-based accounting, which allows you to tag information around transactions. So whether it occurred in that franchise at that point in time under that revenue stream and it was done by a certain employee, that information is available almost like a large pivot table in Excel, and it can be across the entire group, which means your forecasting and your reporting across the entire group is a lot more seamless. One of our bigger clients, Life and Brand, created a massive dashboard around all the franchises and what they were actually doing, and having a very cool sense check in real time of what each individual franchise was doing, so they could then drill down into that detail and improve the performance on each franchise or property at that point in time. And that is what you want from an ERP as a CFO when you're looking, is complete visibility and drill down capabilities so you can get into the nuts and bolts.